Hi, Carol. This is Nick. I left a message for you earlier today, and this is just a few minute website audit. It's complimentary. I'm going to show you three things you can do with your site to get more traffic, basically get more people visiting your site, possibly turning into jobs. First off, your website is beautiful. The work that you've done is impressive. Something to mention, Google reads content, and to get to the top of searches like kitchen remodel in Portland, you need content. I suggest at least 2,000 words on your homepage. Something else, although Google doesn't read the images, if we do a save as, you'll see they're not keywords. You want to save your images as keywords as well because Google goes through that. But a really just a beautiful page. Now, let's look at some of these keywords that we're talking about. As we look at your site, you've got, and we'll rewind right here, about 18 referring domains. Those are backlinks basically from other credible sites back to yours. And you've got about 101 keywords. If we look at this, and this is really where, besides content, keywords play a major role. You can see for Hoffman Designs, it's searched 150 times a month, and you're in the 10th position. You've dropped 2 recently, so you're getting about 3 traffic from that. But your other terms here aren't generating a lot of traffic. Let's look at one of your competitors. And you may have heard of Square Deal Remodel. They've got about 1,000 keywords here. And let's look at some of these. And these are the ones that you really want to rank for. And again, you could do this yourself. But home remodeling in Portland, Oregon, a volume of 200. They're getting 16 people visiting their site. Portland remodeling, home remodeling, Portland, kitchen remodeling. This organization, Square Deal Remodel, is pulling in about 260 people to their site, 270 every month. So think about if you built some more backlinks. Again, you could do this yourself and you were able to pull in that type of traffic. It would probably mean if you convert it 5%, maybe a dozen more jobs a month. Now, this is the map pack. Besides the organic, and this is where you're going to move up with keywords and content, this map pack is basically based on citations, which is your name, your address, and your phone number, okay? Now, looking at your site, the great thing is you've got some very good images here. You've started to build this out. You could definitely do more, and you've claimed the business, which is good. That's your first start to doing that. Now, in terms of citations, though, so that you can start to get into this area, I ran a quick search, and you've got about 25 citations. The leaders there have 39, 26, and 53 respectfully. And citations are really something that are easy to put together so that you can start to get into this map pack. So between the map pack and some of these organic keywords, you'll be able to pull yourself up to the top of Google searches for those specific keywords that you're looking for. So just in summary, I'm going to show you something else really quick. So 3 things you can do. Increase the content on your site. 2,000 plus words on the home page would really help you be found in searches. Implementing backlinks with those high volume keywords like home remodeling in Portland will also help improve your results in Google searches. And then lastly, we talked about citations. The name, address, and phone of your organization will help you appear in the map pack. That also drives potential clients to your site. So, Carol, thanks so much for viewing this video audit. All these things you could do yourself, or I'm more than happy to help out. Feel free to contact me. And again, beautiful work that you're doing. I really love the site. So, with that being said, have a great day. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.